So welcome students. In this question you're given that mod of z plus 4 is less than or equal to 3. If that is so, you're asked to find the maximum value of mod of z plus 1. Again, if I try to solve this geometrically. So what is the meaning of mod of z plus 4 less than or equal to 3? So mod of z minus z1 represents the distance between z and z1. The distance between z and z1. So now if you have mod of z plus 4, this can be written as mod of z minus of minus 4 is less than or equal to 3. So if I read this in English, so what I read is the distance between the complex number z and the complex number minus 4 is less than or equal to 3. So the distance between the complex number z and the complex number 4, this distance is always less than or equal to 3. So equal to 3 gives a circle. Less than or equal to 3 gives the inside of the circle. That means my z can lie anywhere inside the circle with center as minus 4 and radius as equal to 3. So if I draw a circle centered at minus 4 having radius is equal to 3, it intersects the axis again at minus 1 and minus 7, right? Now z can be any of these complex numbers. Any complex number lying inside the circle or on the circle. Now you're asked to find the maximum value of mod of z plus 1, that is mod of z minus of minus 1. I want the maximum value of this. That's nothing but the maximum distance between this complex number, any complex number in this area, and minus 1. So what is the complex number which is farthest from this complex number minus 1? Obviously this is the diametrically opposite point. So if you take any point on the circle, the point at the maximum distance from this point is the diametrically opposite point. So the distance between this is at a maximum equal to 6 units, that is equal to 2r. R is 3 and r is 3. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.